Rugged cameras cater to your adventurous pursuits, whether you're conquering peaks or delving into the depths. However, with a plethora of options available, pinpointing the right one can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll help you find the top 5 rugged cameras designed to endure any environment. Nikon's contribution to the rugged camera lineup is the Coolpix W300, a robust device capable of enduring scorching heat, freezing cold, and underwater exploration. Boasting a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor with 5x zoom capabilities, this camera is engineered to deliver exceptional performance even in challenging low-light conditions. What sets it apart is the implementation of hybrid vibration reduction stabilization technology, ensuring that your footage remains steady and focused on the action. With 4K UHD recording capabilities, the W300 promises videos filled with vivid details and colors. In terms of rugged features, the Coolpix W300 operates seamlessly in temperatures ranging from -10 to 40 degrees Celsius on land and 0 to 40 degrees Celsius underwater. Its waterproofing extends to an impressive 100 feet, coupled with dustproof and shockproof capabilities up to 7.9 feet. The standout feature here is undeniably the hybrid VR stabilization, making the Nikon Coolpix W300 an outstanding choice for those seeking stability and durability in a rugged camera.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Ricoh, a stalwart in the camera industry, presents the WG80, a budget-friendly rugged camera that doesn't compromise on specifications. Fitted with a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor designed for optimal performance in low-light scenarios, the WG80 features a fixed 28mm wide-angle lens with 5x zoom capabilities. What sets it apart is its macro shooting capabilities, enhanced by 6 lights surrounding the lens to ensure well-lit and detailed macro shots. Ruggedness is a key attribute of the WG80, with a robust build that withstands waterproofing up to 14 meters for 2 hours, shockproofing up to 1.6 meters, crushproofing up to 100 kilogram force, and resilience in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius. In essence, the Ricoh WG80 emerges as a reliable and budget-friendly option, offering durability across a spectrum of challenging conditions. Designed with professional deep divers in mind, the SeaLife Micro 3.0 takes the spotlight with its remarkable recording and still capabilities. Equipped with a 16MP Sony IMX0 8.3 CMOS sensor, it supports up to 4K 30fps and 1080p 120fps recording, allowing for both high-resolution photos and seamless video capture. A notable feature is the ability to capture 10 high-res 16-megapixel photos per second and support for the DNG file format. The Micro 3.0 ensures stability in footage with its ultra-wide-angle lens and electronic stabilization, bidding farewell to shaky underwater shots. Its versatility extends to both land and sea scenarios, with 5 sea scene modes, 3 white balance modes, manual white balance, and underwater color correction. Leak-proof due to its fully rubberized armor body, this camera stands as a stalwart companion, offering waterproofing up to 200 feet and shock resistance. For those seeking rugged features without breaking the bank, the Fujifilm Finepix XP140 emerges as the bang-for-the-buck option among rugged cameras. Armed with a 16.4-megapixel CMOS sensor, featuring an ISO range of 100 to 12800, this camera ensures high-quality pictures, even in challenging low-light conditions. While its 4K 15fps recording might not be industry-leading, it gets the job done, complemented by a smile shutter feature for capturing spontaneous moments seamlessly. Beyond its imaging capabilities, the XP140 offers Bluetooth connectivity, facilitating automatic and instant image transfers to your phone. Its rugged attributes include waterproofing up to 82 feet, dustproofing, shockproofing up to 5.9 feet, and freeze-proofing up to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. In summary, the Fujifilm FinePix XP 140 stands as a testament to affordability, without compromising on rugged performance. The Olympus TUF TG6 secures its position as a timeless and resilient choice in the rugged camera landscape. Having withstood the test of time, this camera promises to endure anything you throw at it. Equipped with a 12-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor featuring an f2. Zero aperture, the TG6 excels in various scenarios, with the added advantage of 4K 120 FPS recording. The TG6 offers versatility with its 8x zoom and 4 macro shooting modes, providing the flexibility to capture moments up close or from a distance. With 5 underwater modes, it stands as a reliable companion beneath the waves. Ruggedness is not compromised, with waterproofing up to 50 feet, dustproofing, shockproofing up to 7 feet, crushproofing up to 100 kilogram force, and survivability in chilling temperatures down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. In essence, the Olympus TUF TG6 stands as an unwavering ally, ready to face any challenge, be it hell or high water. And that wraps up our exploration of the top 5 rugged cameras, tailored for any terrain. What's your pick for the most robust option? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.